Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good, and I hope you all are resonating with the readings. I would like to share a good news with you all that soon in Andhra and Telangana we are planning to start our own small magic of healing to as an extended branch. So those who are from Andhra and you want to be in our WhatsApp group just to be updated from time to time, you can WhatsApp to 63806 Even other cities can WhatsApp to the same number, and we will add you in our WhatsApp group where we keep updating all our informations, our daily readings, our other tips, and everything. So let's go to today's reading. You all must be wondering, it's a new deck. Yes, it was a gift of Purnima, but for a change, this one I gifted myself. So I just thought, why not start with doing the cards from this beautiful cards, the Ganesha blessings, whispers of Lord Ganesha basically, but for me, I have always said it as the Ganesha blessings. Let us see how your day is going to be. Perseverance. It's a beautiful card, actually. Usually perseverance is nothing but that whatever we have worked towards, we are going to get good results. So here if you see, it is the tusk of Lord Ganesha. It is as if he has broken his own tusk and he has kept it in his hand. But this was done, I know many of you must be knowing the story where as Vyasa was dictating and Ganesha starts writing. That is one thing, but here I would also say that he is telling you that fruition is very near. All the difficult parts, all the struggles are coming to an end. So today overall I feel that Ganpati is saying that all your troubles will go soon and you will have good future. And I feel today also, if there's any trouble which you feel is there behind you, don't worry, the trouble is going to get over and you are going to get the benefits what you desire. Let's see what is the other card that is saying. Steadfastness. Again, if you see here, it's a beautiful card. Steadfastness is what? Steadfastness is basically bucking up, right? So basically maybe it's like a card where Baba is, sorry, I always keep saying Baba, so sorry. It's as if Ganpati is saying that perseverance is there and now you don't go back. So today whatever happens, just tell Ganesha, give me the strength, I will not give up, I will change my life for the good, and I will talk where I need to speak, I will fight back where I need to fight back, and I will communicate, I will put across things what I need to put across. Today chant 108 times Om Gam Ganapati Namaha. Today wear the color green, light green preferably, so that you are balanced in your energies throughout the day. Also, if possible, in the evening when you're coming back home, buy some sweets and come and offer it to Lord Ganpati for giving you a beautiful day and for blessing you throughout the day. Have a blessed day, all of you. Thank you.